Looking for meaty, meatless meat? Look no further. The flavor, the texture, the juiciness, the nutrients, everything you could ever crave for in a vegan meat is right here. Try these mouth-watering Shroomeats. Shredded balls and burger patties. This yumminess comes with nutritious and unique ingredients, so we can make sure you continue to live the delicious life you want, but healthier and happier. Create your own home recipes with Shroomeats. It's easy, perfect for everyone, better for the planet, and of course, better for you. Make a friendlier choice today. Choose Shroomeats. Rethink meatless.